Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to add a payment method in vercel. This is the platform. So if you want to add a payment method, go to this section and then go to setting icon. As you can see here, from the setting you have different options here. Go to billing and information. From the billing and information, click add a card. So in this case, all you have to do just wait to add your details, write your card number, your date of expirations, code, security, write your name and your pay, and then write your address in this section. From here, add card, write your all details, and then click continue. After that, click save this option, and then complete your billing address here, and then click save. So as I say, just go to add card and then fill all this information here, your card details. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.